So this is Funaria. This plant is Funaria. Is an example of moss. Moss comes under Bryophyte. Bryophyte is a amphibian of plant kingdom. Amphibian means it lives. Actual meaning is that lives both on land as well as water. For example, amphibians, frogs. But here the plant lives on land, but it depends water for the transfer of gametes. That is why it's called as, for example, male gamete produced by the male plant swims through the water and reaches the female plant, so that is why it's called amphibian of plant kingdom. And this plant Funaria has got two stages, protonema stage and the leafy stage. This is a leafy stage. This is an example of a leafy stage where we find leaf-like structures. So these leaf-like structures are arranged spirally. Spirally means spring-like. So these and this is the secondary stage of the development of moss. This develops from the first stage, that is protonema stage. Protonema stage develops from the spore. What is spore? Spore develops from the zygote. What is zygote? Zygote is produced after the union or fusion of male and female gamete. So protonema is a green colored creeping stage and it is filamentous, whereas the secondary stage, this plant is a second stage that develops from first stage, that is protonema. So this plant now all these are gametophytes. The green colored one are gametophyte, and this is the sporophyte. This is sporophyte. So from this is sporophyte. Sporophyte has three parts. The food here, seta, capsule. This is capsule. Now the sporophyte grows on this gametophyte in case of moss. So they do not have true root-like structures. Instead they have rhizoids. So this is called sporophyte because this capsule inside produces spores. So you might have played cockfight with the same plant that is used during cockfight play game. So this